So today we're exploring the Harbourfront downtown, and then we're going to see all the cool stuff, take a walk, and let's check it out. So today we're at the Harbourfront. It's a beautiful July day out, so we're going to see the water, see the boats, and the sunset hopefully. Let's see what else is out. Look at this, it's not even Halloween yet. And we got this really cool haunted mansion thing. This is cool. This is at the Harbourfront. So we're at the harbor. We're at the Harbourfront. You can see all the planes landing on the island airport distance from Montreal. Look at how beautiful and open it is here. I can't stand the city one bit, but I love the water. So surprising, there's not many boats out here today other than that. The Empress. But usually there's a big ship here called Flinders, but it's not out. But here's the waterfront. Look at how beautiful this is. It's so clear out tonight. So this is a nice ship here. This is from a company called Mariposa Cruises. This is a Northern Spirit. This one I think I've been on 2 or 3 times. I've taken a few pictures up here. We've sat at the back and we've sat in the middle. And then you take your pictures on the roof. This one's really nice. We've done a Christmas cruise on it. We got some flowers over here. This is another ship. We did this one once. I think this is the first one I was on here. And now we're walking on the boardwalk. So now we're onto the boardwalk after seeing the boat. And we're going to see some more of the boats here. There's the tower in the background of the water. There's the tower again. Some birds. And here's a clear shot of the harbor. There's the harbor. So there's the pirate taxi that goes to the center island. Here's another boat, a small one, that does 1-hour tours. And then this used to be a pond for RC boats and kayaks, but it's always closed, they can't get it right. And then here's the end of this little strip. And here's where the Harbourfront does their Summer July concert series, which is here. This is always really nice to see on weekends in the summer. So maybe we'll see if there's one of these this week or something. So here's where I usually sit here, but someone's there. Here's all the boats. This is the, not really yachts, but they call this the Yacht Club. And then here's the Amsterdam Bridge, as they call it, because the Amsterdam restaurant is here. There's the tower again. And here's all the boats where they dock. They have different sections for different lengths and stuff. This is my favorite part to sit is here. So there's a helicopter, and there's the boats, there's the tower, and there's a festival here. So there was a festival there, but it's not really that good. So now we're looking at the rest of the boats. So here's the boats again. There's one just docking now. It looks like it's about a 35-foot boat. And then we've almost done like the good part of the Harbourfront. There's a few more sides, but this is just the side I like. So we're at the end of the harbor now. There's a little cool part up here though. So now we're on the really cool, weirdly shaped ramps here. A little doggo. Here's the ramps. So we got the boats. And then we got this cool ramp section. Way back I rode my bike here, but now they have rails on it. So now here's the cool ramps here. And then this is kind of the harbor. The Queen's Quay keeps going, but this is where the good stuff ends, is up here. It's just hotels and condos. So here's the wave deck, but I call it the funky ramps. And now we're going to go back in the same direction. We're going to quickly walk back, see the same stuff. We're back again coming this way. Look at this, we got a little duck fight going on. Oh! Look at that little french fries. So back at the Harbourfront. Not a fan at all of this festival though, it's quite annoying here. Usually it's really nice to see the boats, but this festival is kind of trashy. Oh look, there goes a little duck. So this is the part of the harbor I like. This is where it's quiet from all the nonsense and you can sit in peace and see the boats and all that. And usually I just like to sit here because it's so nice to see the sunset, the planes and the boats. This is the part of the harbor I like. It's so relaxing. My shoes even match the water. Just like sitting here seeing the waves. This part's really relaxing. We don't have many boats out today. Just got this little one here and a little sailboat out. Usually this water's full of boats, but it's quite empty tonight. They're all partying on the land. So finally got a seat at the harbour. My nice and relaxing usual spot. It's always where I love to sit here is right here. Just watch the boats and sunset. This is the best spot to sit here because you can see everything. So now we're at the Harbourfront. This is a tourist helicopter. This is the one that does the tours of the city and the harbour. And it's going to be landing at the Harbourfront Airport, which is right here. Look at this. This is such a cool boat. This is the first one I've seen of it here. That is nice. This is a beautiful boat. I've seen this one at the Toronto Boat Show, but I've never seen one of these in the water. So I don't even know that much about it, but this is a really cool boat. It has such a cool, sleek coupe look to it. Here goes another boat. Hitting the waters. Look at that. Nice little mini boat. Look at this, we got a police boat. That is really cool. 3 police on out there looking for drunk drivers and stuff. That's a pretty cool job right there. There's a marine unit of the police. We got another boat here. So today we're at the Harbourfront. We're making a video on all the cool boats we see. There's the CN Tower here. We're gonna find some cool boats for the video. So now we're on, watch your step. Now we're on the boardwalk. Whenever I come here, I like walking on the pavement, but when I come back, I like the boardwalk. And this part's really nice because you can see all the boats up close. Usually there's a tall ship parked up here, but it's not here tonight. So we saw this boat before, but here's just another one. It's back again. So this is where usually the tall ship parks, but again, it's not parked here tonight. But you can see how clear the sky is tonight. It looks beautiful. So the sun's setting now at the Harbourfront. You can really see how beautiful it looks in sunset. Look at that. It's really nice. So in the distance here we have a boat called Yankee Lady 2. This was the first yacht I was ever on way back in 2011. That's what started my love of like boats and yachts like way back over a decade ago. It's a really nice boat. This one's 2 or 3 levels and it has like a basement too for food. We also get some plane landings out here. This one's just coming in from Ottawa right now. It's landing on the island airport. Here you're about to see it land. There it goes. Here's another look at the Yankee Lady 2 yacht, the first one I was on. It's coming in a bit closer so we can get another shot of it. It's pretty cool. So thanks for watching the boat video. So also at the Harbourfront there's a lot of cool water Pokemon. So look at this little dude here I caught, war turtle swimming in the water. So it's getting dark out here so you can really see the beautiful colors in the water and on the boats. Oh, just look at how beautiful this boat looks at night. This should be a postcard here. This is amazing. This was actually the first boat I was on from this company here. Look at how beautiful that looks. So here now the sunset's going down so it looks really nice. Look at how beautiful this looks. Turn on the lighting so you can really see it. And this place is beautiful after dark. We got another boat heading out. This one's an island ferry. This one's just going to Central Island. Oh, look at this. Here comes Kajama, one of the tall ships. This used to be like this. If you look this ship up on Google, there's a lot of history in this ship here. So we're going to go watch it land now. So we're here to watch the Kajama tall ship dock. It's right here and it's going to end up right up here, which is kind of cool. It fills into the gap. So when you see this boat gliding along, you can really see how beautiful it is. This boat has some serious history to it. It's worth the Google search to read the story. And if you come to the Harbourfront in Toronto, you can ride this and take tours of it every day. So here it is. It was going to dock, but it's actually going to do another lap now, so it's not docking. So, and then here we got a 2-level party boat. I saw this one taking off from the dock. Here we got another plane landing. This one's coming in from Montreal. So there's all the ships out tonight. They're all finishing their last lap for the night, and we might come in. So here it is, the ships coming in. Finally get to see this dock after quite a long time. Wow, here comes the pirate ship. Look at how cool this is. Look at that docking. So to dock, what it has to do is it has to spin the propeller backwards to rotate it so it can pull itself in without going forward, which is really cool. So watch what he does here. He has to reverse the thrust so it can pull itself back to come in, which is really cool to watch it happen. That's what it's doing right now. So here it just docked. Look at the size of this boat. It looks just stunning in the sunset. Here it is. Look at the power of that. And it's docked. So we just watched one of the ships dock. Now look at the sunset. This looks really pretty here. And then you got all the planes and all the boats coming in for the night. And look how pretty it is as the sun goes down. Every time I come here there's a cool display. Last time they had a Valentine's one. Today they have this for some festival. So this is really cool because every time I come here I get a picture with this. But over the years the wings on this faded, so they have to keep painting it on, which I just think is a little cool detail that a lot of people don't notice. But this is really cool. Look at the donuts here. So now we're done with Harbourfront. There's a cool Halloween stuff. And that's the end of this video, so thanks for watching it. So right now we're here. So we started this video here, but then the actual video started here. We walked around. We walked up here, we saw the ramps here, we sat back here, and then we came back through the center, and now we're here. We're going to end the video. So that was the Harbourfront tour. Thanks for watching the video. Look at this, there's a Camaro at the Harbourfront. That's pretty nice. Look at that, that's kind of cool. So there's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Straight pipe Lexus LC. That is nice. Look at this classic Corvette here, a Z06 with the track pack. That is crazy. Look at this, we got a Porsche 911 and a Lamborghini Huracan in the same shot. Here we go, one of my dream cars of all time, British Racing Green Jaguar S-Type V8. Look at this, we got a Lamborghini Urus out tonight. This one's out quite often. This one has some orange with it, looks really good with the blue. We got an Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio. That's a nice Alfa Romeo. Look at how cool this car is. It has a DTM wrap on it. Second time I've seen this in here. That's really cool. Look at this Lamborghini Aventador. This one's nice. This one's here quite often. BMW i8.
We've been down there before.
Look at that. Lamborghini.
Polish sailors put Polish sailors put
Look at that Bentley Continental convertible. Wow, look at that. Holy cow. 2 Ferraris, and then you got a Mustang here. Look at that. Look at the cars out tonight.